David writes, what do women want? Pretty much explain women. Good luck. LOL. That's a tough question. And not because of the mystical woman's psyche aspect of it, it's really incomplete. What do you mean, what do women want? What do women want from what? From me? From him? From you? I'm assuming that you mean from you, but that would make answering this question almost impossible because I don't know you. But that will never stop me from answering the question. I don't have to know you. I'm just gonna make you up. Let's look at women as a giant spectrum that goes from needy to crazy and everything in between. Some women are needy and they'll require everything. And then some women are low maintenance and they don't want much, which initially sounds good, but then you'll realize that that includes you. And then there are women that are anti-maintenance. No matter how much you try, you would have been better off if you didn't. But those are all just generalizations. Your average woman is going to require just a little bit more than what you've got. Take Camera Guy's wife, for example. She demands a whole lot more than what he's got. I shouldn't have said that. When we asked her, she said she wanted security, adventure, and chocolate. Hey, 2 out of 3 is not bad. I mean, on a skewed bell curve, that's a solid C. C for Camera Guy. Honestly, this is the kind of woman you want. The one that will accept you for your 66% achievement level and at the same time inspire you to do better. But I digress. That's what you want from a woman, not what she wants from you. So let's get rid of all those stereotypes and preconceived notions and stick with the list. You know, the list. They've all got one. Car, check. House, no. Ridiculously good looking. Here are the 4 things that if you don't know, you're gonna be sleeping on a couch someday. How you gonna treat your woman? R-E-S-P-E-C-T. What does that mean to you? Groveling. That's what it means to you. Real respect isn't a yes ma'am, no ma'am kind of thing. It's a love thing. How well would you take care of a Ferrari? But do not tell her you're imagining she's a car. That will ruin everything. Confidence. Women apparently like a man that's confident. Not arrogant, there's a difference. And if you're not sure what the difference is, you're arrogant. Let's move on. Number 3, listen. It's so easy, but you're still not doing it. Yeah, MacGyver, I know you think you can solve all her problems with gum, wire, and duct tape, and maybe you can, but she doesn't want you to. If you don't hear these words, can you help me with this? Then don't. Just keep making this face. Really? That is so messed up. And the last, possibly biggest one we found on our list was to be treated like an individual. So David, in answer to your question, I think what women really want is for you to realize that generalizing about what women want is not really what women want. Here's a novel idea. Try asking the woman what she wants, and then listen. That's what we did. We wrote to all the women in 22 and asked them what they wanted. That's how we found out. And then we use this face.